Hey, guess what? My AirPods Pro came early. I think they came early for everybody. So here's a quick unboxing. Woo! This is how it comes from Apple. Let's see here. Let's wrangle this out of here. Ugh. Come out. Out of your control. There we are. Let's squeeze these guys out. Whoa. Here we go. AirPods Pro. Nice. Here's where you use plastic. All right. You got your paperwork. Anyway, I don't know. I don't care. This is what I care about. There we go. And there. It's the AirPods Pro. $250. You got your cable and your custom tips, etc. And here's the case. You pop it open. There they are. AirPods Pro. Interesting. Sweet. Here, quick comparison between AirPods Pro and AirPods/AirPods 2, regular. Obviously, the case is a little bigger. And then versus PowerBeats Pro. Ugh, that's a big guy. So you get a lot of the features of the PowerBeats Pro, but you don't get the bulk. That's what I like about these AirPods Pro. We'll see if that pans out after actually using it. Also, quick comparison for you Samsung people. This is the size of the AirPods Pro versus the Samsung Buds. Too bad Apple couldn't come up with different colored cases like Samsung did for its Buds. Let's take a look at this again. Get you a size comparison with the other offerings. So this is the AirPods Pro versus regular AirPods. You can see the size real quick. Got that shorter stem. All right, and then versus the PowerBeats Pro, which comes in 4 different colors, but I guess because that's Beats, that's why they get to dabble in color, unlike the rest of the lineup. Anyway, so you see, so you get a lot of the features, not so much bulk, but of course these AirPods Pro cost even more than the PowerBeats Pro now, because the PowerBeats were recently knocked back to $200. I don't know if that's a permanent price or not, but PowerBeats Pro are bulkier and no wireless charge. Let's put you back. Oh, no, that's a no, that won't fit. Let's put this one back here. show you. Oh, it goes like, the stem goes like that, and that's the opposite of the regular ones where the hole is towards the middle. That's why. Now let's do a quick check of wireless charge with the AirPods Pro. And hard to see in the setting sun here, but the light is on and we do have wireless charge. There you have it. Quick unboxing of the brand new AirPods Pro.